Hello and welcome to my channel. Today, let's talk about passwords. I have two things for you today. Do you frequently, let's say, store passwords across websites? Do you know where Chrome, let's assume that you use Chrome frequently. Do you know where Chrome stores your passwords? If you do, good. If you don't, good. I will show you where Chrome stores your password today. One more thing is this. Do you have where Chrome stores your compromised passwords? Have you ever thought of that? Have you ever thought that your password could be compromised and that Google or Google Chrome will be there to help you indicate that there are some compromised passwords of yours? So that is what I come here to do today. I'm going to show you where Chrome, because I frequently use Chrome. I don't know if you do, but I frequently use Chrome. Chrome is, I so much love Chrome. So let me show you where the passwords are stored. Just open your Google Chrome, go for settings. You can see this three dot here. Click on that, then go for settings. Then look for autofill. So here is you and Google. Then here is autofill. So here you will see that I have 7 compromised passwords. 7 compromised passwords. So what does that mean? There is this so-called, there is this that we all know about data breach. It's a security violation in which sensitive or let's say protected or confidential data is copied, transmitted, viewed, stolen or used by an individual unauthorized to do so. And equally, so what you should do if you have like a number of compromised passwords, just go here, go click here. Then here you can see check passwords. Go here. You can see a list of all the websites where my passwords are compromised. So what I have to do, or what you should do if you are in my shoes, is this. Go here, go click on change password. This way automatically it will take you to the website. You have to log in and change your password. Once you are done with changing your password, what you have to do is to come back here, click on this three dots, just click on remove and remove this from the list. You don't have to even go editing because this is a compromised list. Don't go, trying to edit or do something else. Once you have changed the password, just come here, click on these three dots and click on remove password. This will automatically remove the password. And that is it for this compromise part. So always keep an eye on this part. If you always store your password, always keep your eyes, keep an eye on this particular part to know if you have a compromised password or not. You quickly go change them if you have, and then you are good to go. So that is it for the compromised passwords. So let's go back and see all the saved passwords. Somebody might ask, is it safe to store your passwords? I can say that To an extent, yes. But when you save your passwords on on any website you visit at all, using Chrome, for example, remember, I will show you what will happen when you save your passwords. I will show you what will happen. And before I show you what will happen when you save your passwords, one thing you should know is that don't just trust anybody out there. You can't just give somebody or anybody your laptop or your computer to make use of. Know who uses your computer. It is very, very, very important. You can't just give it to anybody to make use of. If you actually do store your passwords across websites when you are using Google Chrome, if you actually do store your passwords, don't just give your computer to anybody out there to make use of. I will show you what will happen to you if you do store your passwords on Chrome and you give somebody, or you allow access to your computer easily or carelessly. I will show you what will happen to you. So if you come here, you will see a list of all the websites, my username and my password. So one good thing about storing password is this. Let's assume you store your passwords. Then after clearing your cookies and cache, when you clear your cookies and cache, if you want to, let's say, log into a website that you frequently used before, after clearing your cookies and cache, the possibility of seeing your password again is gone, because when you click on the password box, or let's say the username box to type in your username before clearing your cookie, they will pop out automatically. You can just click and sign in. But after clearing your cookies, those things will not be there again. And if you don't remember your password, or you'll be like, oh, how do I get my password? But since you have stored it already, you can come here, like follow this step, go to here, go to settings, then you can see autofill. Then you can come here and then click on this eye. This will show you the password, so you don't have to worry about your password, like after clearing cookies and cache. Then let's assume that you change your password. You stored your password here, but you later change that somewhere else, maybe. But remember, changing it somewhere else, maybe with the website here, the change does not reflect here automatically. What you have to do is, after changing your password elsewhere, just come here and do what? Go here, go to edit and edit your password and import the newly changed password. So if you want to use your password maybe somewhere, you can copy it here and go paste somewhere and make use of it. But this remove is this. Let's assume that, you decided not, maybe you are afraid that somebody might, come here and somebody might come to your computer and then go to these settings and take hold of all your passwords. If you are afraid of that, what you can do is just to remove. Clicking on this will remove the password. There will be no password again. So you can still do that. Just come here, click on remove, and the password is gone. And one thing again I want to show you is the search engine here. Let's assume you can see a list. If I scroll now, you can see a list of websites. But let's assume you don't want to scroll down to look for the particular website you want to update the password or something like that. What you have to do is to, let's say I have this adhese here. Go for this search, type in adhese. You can see, you can just go for it straight away. Then here comes to the final thing about what happens to you when you store your passwords here and when you allow access to it carelessly. You can see this adhese, the username and the password. So let me go for adhese. Go here, type adhese. So you can see automatically populated the username and the password automatically populated because I saved them. I stored them. So if somebody should have access to my computer, for example, or to your computer with saved passwords, if somebody, could have access to it, they can easily go to this website and check my details. This could be my email address. That person could easily go and log into my email address and read my messages. Can you see what I'm talking about? So when you store your passwords across websites, please, my advice to you is this: do not just give access to your computer easily to anybody, because you don't trust anybody. You don't know what might happen to you and your sensitive information. So that is it for this video. If you think there is something that I didn't cover in this video, please kindly comment on the comment section down below, and I will take care of that. Or if there is anything else you want me to cover, just comment on the comment section down below and I will take care of it. Here is my request for you. I am in a race to 1 million subscribers, and right now I am far behind. If you think that this video is of good help or is of help, please kindly click on this red subscribe button, subscribe to the channel to support me in this race, and again you will see a notification bell behind this subscription button. Click on that notification bell, click on the all, so that you will be notified anytime I upload a new video. So thank you for your support in advance, and God bless.